Greetings and welcome to my new calculus channel. So, a very quick video. I'm going to be focusing on this video that was uploaded on provoking thought. It's interesting because somebody's interviewing Terrence Howard and he's trying to explain multiplication. And of course, it's all a load of garbage, but it just gives you, it's funny, but it gives you an idea of why mainstream academics don't have a clue what multiplication means. I mean, if you ask your math professor, is multiplication defined the same way for natural numbers as for fractions? He'll tell you no, which is absolutely bullshit. They are defined the same way, and they're defined the same way for division or quotients, and the same way for difference, sum, etc. They actually all come to you from geometry. So I'll place a link to this very short video which explains to you how you get all of these from geometry without even anything about numbers. But let's come back to this particular video. So he says, what does it mean to multiply? Okay, he says, what does it mean to multiply? And I say, what does the multiply operation mean? So take note, multiplication is defined the same way for any kind of number, and you have no control over that definition, by the way. It's universal. It's whether you thought of it or not, it's the right way. It didn't come out of a human mind. It's just how it is geometrically, basically. So nothing you can do about it. Had the Greeks thought of zero as a number, they never would have realized this information, and you still would have been battling to multiply fractions and different numbers. So, and in fact, you are. Even with that, you are, because your mainstream mathematics academia is basically based on a whole lot of garbage knowledge, flawed knowledge, which they've never understood anyway, even these very basic concepts. So, what does 2 times 3 mean? Okay, it means because multiplication is defined in terms of division, which is defined in terms of sum and difference in that order, this means the quotient of 2 1/3 or 3 1/2. So 2 divided by 1/3 is a reciprocal measure of 2 using 1/3 as a unit. So if you take the proposition from Euclid's Elements, Proposition 12 of Book 5, you need that, by the way, to understand what I'm doing here, then you'll see that 1/3 measures 2 exactly 6 times. And you'll see that if we say 3 divided by 1/2, we'll see that a half measures 3 exactly 6 times as well. Okay, in other words, the reciprocal of 2. So I've shown you a simple example here. And in the second example, I give you a more nuanced one where you have 2/3 times 6 halves. And you can look over this yourself, stop the video and look at it carefully and see what it means. That's pretty much it. My name is John Gabriel. This is a new calculus channel. If you're not already a subscriber, become one, click like, tell your friends about it, follow me on academia.edu. Till next time, goodbye.